Mohammed. From the south. So we do, my dad owns Fast 5 Motorsport and we do body kits on the car. So this is one of our babies. Well,
Tell us about this baby, girl.
Well, this is my baby. I got it for my 18th. So the project is coming along on the car.
Oh, so that means you are not done.
I'm not done.
What have you done to it so far?
Okay, so I've done exhaust, software, charge cooler, intake, plugs, the simple stuff. But, everything's still stock for now. So next thing up is the front mount intake. So my intakes from here are gonna come up from the grill.
Oh, speaking of the grill, just come down with us, guys. Can you tell us about the brothers over here, youngster? Come.
No man, this is just, just for the content.
For the content.
For the content, for the clout,
Oh.
For the clout.
If you guys don't know brothers, then good,
Yeah.